I post lifestyle and DIY content right here on YouTube. Please consider subscribing and pressing the bell so that you get notifications when I do post. I also have an Instagram page and a Facebook page where you can find all the inspiration and basically posts that I post here on YouTube, but curated for Facebook and Instagram. A few months ago, I asked you guys to help me choose between a grid mirror and a framed mirror DIY, right? And I think the votes were for the framed mirror. Yes, they were definitely for the framed mirror. Right, and so I started with the DIY. Exciting times. So I took a trip to Builder's Warehouse. I've listed everything that I bought in the description below. Apparently mirrors are so expensive. Even if you're getting a custom size mirror, it's expensive. The dimensions I wanted were like pretty small. Well, I mean full length, but like not the biggest mirror in the world, right? And I'm telling you, people were asking for like 1,500 rand, 2,000 rand, and I wasn't willing to spend that much money. No. And so I took to Gumtree, and I thought I'd find second-hand mirrors there, and I did. And the mirror that I found happened to be 300 rand, and it was massive. This lady had a bathroom mirror the size of a massive bathroom mirror, and she was renovating her house, and she was basically giving it away because I couldn't believe that I found a mirror that big for 300 rand. Cool. I then asked a colleague of mine to help me with the transportation because my car is a little too small to fit the mirror. But collected it, and I had to pay my colleague as well because I needed their time and their petrol. It was very kind of him to assist. Thank you. I started drilling holes on the 178 pieces of wood, and this was to create a little bit of a shelf for the mirror to sit on. I then drilled holes on the top part of the frame, and then I nailed them in with regular nails and a regular hammer because we learn as we go. These guys over here are the pieces of wood I used as the shelf handle. I cut them a little bit shorter because I needed them to sit snug inside the frame. And then I attached them using nails and glue. Remember, this is before I got myself a sander, so I cut pieces of sanding paper and I sanded the whole frame down. Another rookie mistake was choosing the stain based on the color of the bottle. I should have bought samples and tested it on the wood. So I ended up with this orange color that I'm not in love with, to be honest. To attach the mirror to the frame, I used double-sided tape. And now the moment of truth. This mirror is heavy, and I'll tell you right now, I was not supposed to do this by myself. I needed a hand or two in order for me to attach this mirror. Anyways, I was in a hurry. I wanted to see the final product. I was like, I'm doing this myself. It's my channel anyways. And I shouldn't have done that. Guys, I should not have done that. After what felt like hours of trying to lower this mirror without breaking it, it eventually broke. It broke into 3 large pieces, and yeah, my heart was broken. There were tears, there was a lot of cursing. Yeah, it broke, and then I just gave the frame away and threw the shards into the bin. Yeah, guys, this was a really hard DIY. Some really hard lessons, but I guess it's a lesson in patience and also asking for help. Also, I was hesitant on sharing this video because, it's a failed DIY. Why should people, waste their time watching something that didn't work out? But I decided I'm going to share it because I wanted to showcase that DIY, first of all, is not easy and it's expensive. And learn from my mistake and do this better. I am going to attempt this DIY again, but you know what? I need all the courage. I need all the courage and money to to attempt it, but you know what? Yeah, I think in retrospect, I am going to be better at this. I do have exciting DIYs coming up, and I appreciate you guys giving me your feedback and subscribing to the channel, taking the time to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet and you've just been checking the channel out, please do consider subscribing. Press the notification bell so that you get notifications when I post, which will be a little bit more often than usual. Yeah, lots of exciting things coming up. Remember, I do have a Facebook page, and I also have an Instagram page where I post inspiration over there. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.